Duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Duck is a pet animal. The duck is a bird. It cannot fly in the sky. It swims in water. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog is a pet animal. It has 4 legs. It's found in many colors. It is a very faithful animal. It has sharp teeth. It eats biscuits and breads. Dog is very honested animal.
Sorry ass DJ. Sorry ass DJ.
Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rabbit is a small and pet animal. It has long ears. It has 4 legs. Its tail is short and fluffy. They like to eat grass. Bull. B-U-L-L. Bull is a domestic animal. Camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel is a domestic animal. Camel is found in the desert areas. It has a short tail. Its body is strong with long and thin legs. Camel is called sheep of desert. Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Cow is a domestic animal. It is found in many colors. Cow eats grass very much. It has a large body. Cow gives us milk, gomutra. It is a 4 legs. A cow lives around 20 years. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Donkey is a domestic animal. It is a very useful animal. It has 4 legs, 2 long ears and tail. It is a vegetarian. It likes to eat green grass. It is brown in color. Its milk very usefully. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep is a pet animal. Sheep is a very useful animal. It gives us milk and meat. Sheep has a soft fur on their body. Sheep favorite food is grass, leaves of plants. H-E-N, hen. Hen is a domestic female bird. It is red, brown or black in color. It has lot of features on its body. It has 2 legs. Buffalo. 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 Buffalo is a domestic animal. Buffalo is a large animal. The male buffalo is called bull buffalo and female buffalo is called a cow buffalo. Buffalo milk is very nutritious and rich in calcium. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Pig is a domestic animal. They eat both plants and meat. Pigs can weigh 300. Pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Pigeon is a domestic bird. Pigeon is flying in the sky. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Parrot is a domestic bird. Parrot is a beautiful bird. It has 2 wings. Its beak is red. It loves to go branch to branch. They are known as talking birds. Rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Rooster is a domestic bird. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. The horse is a domestic animal. It has a long neck and strong body. It runs very fast. Horse is a 4-footer animal. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Turkey is a domestic bird. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. The goat is a domestic animal. 2 long ears. It has 4 legs, 2 arms and a short tail. Its body is covered with thick hair. Goat milk is rich in nutrition. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. The cat is a small and pet animal. It looks like a baby tiger. Cats are usually brown, white and black colors.